Unlock the future of digital creation by bringing AI-generated characters to life in stunning 3D with Nano Banana. Our journey begins in the Nano Banana modeling suite, where we'll sculpt our AI-generated concept into a tangible 3D form. Think of this as digital clay, but with the power of artificial intelligence guiding every curve and detail. Once our base mesh is established, we move to the crucial texturing phase. Nano Banana leverages AI to analyze your character's intended personality and generate incredibly realistic or stylized textures, from skin pores to fabric weaves. Achieving visual appeal means diving into the material properties. We'll fine-tune everything from specular highlights to ambient occlusion, ensuring your AI creation looks and feels truly alive under any lighting condition. But a static model is only half the story. With Nano Banana's intuitive animation tools, we'll bring our AI character to life with expressive movements. Imagine AI-powered motion capture or intelligent rigging that adapts to your desired performance. The power of Nano Banana lies in its ability to translate AI concepts into boundless 3D artistry. Showcase your unique creations in games, animations, or even interactive virtual experiences. The possibilities are truly limitless. Dive into the future of 3D content creation today with Nano Banana. Number 3 Damadel #NanoBanana